Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Fortnite on your OnePlus smartphone. So for the first, when we try to download it from the Play Store, of course we cannot because the Fortnite was removed from the Play Store. So to get it we have to open the browser. In my case I'm going to open the Google Chrome and then type here the APK Pure. We have to enter this website, apkpure.com. You have to tap on the search pool and type here Fortnite. Select this application. Tap download on the Epic Games. And click right here. Tap download. And just open your installer. Click install, tap on the open, and click on the Fortnite. Click on this yellow button install. And right now we have to wait until our launcher finish download. Click on the settings. We have to tap on the switcher to allow install apps from the unknown sources. Click install and just open. Tap on the continue. Click OK. And right now we are in the Epic Games launcher and we have to add our account. If you don't have, you can create it right here, but I got the Google account and I'm gonna log in with it. So as I said before, we have a couple of the accounts that we can just enter. So I'm going with Google, but of course if you are using the Facebook or Xbox, you have to tap there and you have to input your Google account data, so login and also the password. Now just wait. And right now all we have to do is just to click install and wait until the whole game finished download. Then we'll be ready to open the game. Okay, and as you can see it's almost finished, so we have to wait a little bit. The game is loading right now. Okay, we can skip this video. And right now let's check if it is working in the game. So we are going for the squads. As you can see right now we are waiting for other players and the game is working. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it'll help you. And remember to leave likes, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!